What is going on, everybody? Today we are not working on the Mustang. Today I'm tackling a small shop project. So one of the things that I wanted to do this year was clean up and better organize my shop. It is quite a mess. So the small project that I am tackling is some jack stand mounts, wall mounts. So this is a product from TMR Customs. So it just mounts onto the wall and then you can hang all your jack stands from them. So I have 6 of these jack stands and then 2 of the barrel style ones, which this does not work with the barrel style. So I'll figure out something different for holding those ones. But for these, it just goes on there. So they have different sizes of their holders. This one is the one that works for a 3-ton up to a 6-ton. So I have 2 6-tons and then I have 4 of the 3-tons. So I ended up buying 4 of these. So just 2 of the 2 pair set up. So I think I'm going to mount 2 of them in this shop and then maybe 2 into my other garage. So if I need to do anything in that one, I'll have jack stands out there. Yeah, I just want to get the 2 6-tons that I have mounted, and then 2 of the 3-tons, and then get the 2 barrel ones mounted onto the wall. So I'm doing that to get them off the floor, because as you see, I have those ones sitting on the floor. These ones are usually sitting on the floor in random places. So just having them in a nice central location will be just better organized, and it will look much better to have them wall mounted instead of just sitting around on the floor. So where am I going to mount them? So I have this strip right in between the 2 garage doors that I think will be perfect to mount them right in there. So obviously I'll get rid of this the bungee cords. So yeah, I'll put the 2 mounts right there and that'll be perfect. So there's several different ways that I can secure the mounts onto the wall. This is just drywall right now, and there's a beam here and a beam here for the garage doors, but nothing in the center. So I could just do some like anchor bolts, but I'm worried that that might not be enough to risk damaging the drywall. There's 3 bolts that you can put on to hold the mount onto the wall. So another option is I could just put a piece of plywood over top of this. Probably paint it white and make it kind of blend in. Or I could cut out this drywall and replace just that section with plywood. But the plan that I'm going to tackle is similar to that, but I'm just going to do strips across. So I have this piece here, which is 3/4 inch thick and maybe 3 inches about wide. And it's already painted white, which is perfect. So I'll just cut this into strips to go in between there. And then I will bolt it up using these little anchors. So I'll have this go into the back of that board. And then I'll be able to just use a bolt and bolt them right up. I like that idea a lot better than trying to do any screws or lag screws going to hold these mounts up onto that board. I think using a bolt is going to be a better, cleaner, easier solution. I can easily bolt them, unbolt them. So real quick, let's take a look at this. So it's just probably laser cut out and then bent. It comes in raw steel, so I will need to get this painted before I mount it up. So it looks pretty sweet. It's got their logo cut into it, so TMR Customs is who makes this product. So let me get these all primed and then painted. And we'll get the boards cut out and then get them all screwed up on there. And I'll check back with you guys in a few moments. So the wall mounts are all finished. They're all secured and it's looking fantastic. As I described earlier, I just screwed a board to the wall here and then bolted the mounts to that board. So it's really secure. It's not going to go anywhere. The paint on it is decent. I did do a primer base coat, and then it's just this Krylon indoor outdoor stuff. They didn't have the Rust-Oleum Professional in orange like I wanted to do, so I used that instead. Not the best, so that's one reason that I put on these rubber protections to try to keep the paint from just getting immediately scratched up and dinged off and things like that. Overall, I really like it. And then up here, I just have like what you would have like in a normal garage with these slide things to hold on these little bullet jack stand tubular ones. So overall, it looks really good. It gets the jack stands off the ground like I wanted. Everything is nice and organized. It looks good. Now I just need to get the rest of this garage all kind of cleaned up, organized. That is a bigger project that will take a while to complete. I'm going to try to do it all kind of in phases. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Something a little bit different than actually just working on the Mustang or the autocross videos that I've normally been putting out right now. There will be a few more shop videos here and there, nothing in the works at the moment, but as I said, I do want to get this garage all cleaned up, organized, and looking like an actual workshop, and just so I can better organize and be more efficient in my projects. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more of this kind of stuff or of the car and autocross items, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.